Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today we will learn how to turn text into quizzes with Canva to enhance your lessons. Canva is IRMA approved and free to use for DOE students and employees. Keep in mind that while you generally own what you create, AI generated works may not be eligible for copyright protection in some jurisdictions. To manage data usage, you can opt out of having these designs and content used to train Canva AI models, and check your privacy settings to control if your data improves AI features. Now let's generate a fun and engaging multiple choice quiz with Canva's AI Quiz Maker. So the first thing you want to do is you want to decide what text that you are going to use so you can generate your quiz. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll highlight this text. Now that you have your text selected, what you want to do is you want to open up a tab and navigate to Canva and make sure you're logged in with your DOE credentials. Now that you're in Canva, what you can do next is go to create and then just create a document where you can paste your text. Then you're just going to press Command V and now your text is there. So now here's where the fun part is. You're going to highlight your text in Canva, and then you're going to hit Ask Canva. Once you hit Ask Canva, then you can give Canva a prompt by saying generate a multiple choice quiz using this text. Generate a 10-question multiple choice quiz using this text. All right, great. So it's going to generate, and now it's finalizing, and here you go. Here are 3 sets of quiz questions you can add to your design. So let's go with this third set. And now the quiz questions were added here based on your text. So now that you have your quiz questions, the next thing you want to do is highlight and select this text. Command C to copy it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Canva homepage, and now you're going to ask Canva to create a interactive quiz based on, no, sorry, not based, using the following questions. And then you'll paste the questions. Once you paste the questions here, then you're going to click submit, and Canva is going to automatically code an interactive quiz that you can use based on your questions. All right, so now it says, I've created an interactive Ruby Bridges quiz with a beautiful dark blue gradient design and smooth animations. Awesome. So let's see what version 1 is looking like. So this is nice. We have Ruby Bridges quiz, test your knowledge, and we can click start quiz. You might want to spend some more time going through it to make sure your questions are good and make sure everything is right. You can iterate and add more to the prompt. For example, maybe I want a picture Add a picture. So once you have your quiz created and you've tested it out, now it's time to publish. So you have the option to publish it as a website, or you can click using the design as a presentation. Once you use it in the design as a presentation, you can rename it, and then you can click share. And what you'll do here is when you get to share, you see how it says only you can access? So let's get a public view link going. Once you create the public view link, you can copy it, and now it'll be accessible. So you can post it in Google Classroom, you can link it in a Google slide, or share it wherever your students access their links. And if you want to test it out, just open a new tab, copy and paste the link, and there you go. And now you can test out the Ruby Bridges quiz. How old was Ruby Bridges when she became a symbol of the civil rights movement? I'm gonna go with 6. Yay, I got it right. Isn't this fun? Okay, now you go ahead and you make your quiz and have fun with your students. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Use AI responsibly and consider the environmental impact. Thanks for watching.